Hello everybody, so it's been forever, I know, I just haven't felt up to it. I'm in my office, my husband's in the background, so if you hear noises, that's him. My cat is wandering around somewhere too.
I'm fixing me in the foreground.
Last time I was in here, I was doing the blue and white stripe geometric wall, and I have since decided that it's just not really me, so I'm redoing the whole thing. This time I didn't get too far with it because I was gonna paint like that wall and the other walls a different color, and I just never got around to it because it got cold and then decided not to do that. So picked up paint yesterday, different color that matches with everything else. Yes, that is technically a Christmas holiday tree. It's black, it's staying up here. I'm just gonna change the decorations throughout the year. But I'm going a completely different direction now, something that's a little more true to myself, so yay! My husband did the taping around the window and down there. I said did the taping, and the paper. So as long as the cat doesn't try to eat the paper, he shreds paper. And as long as we don't shuffle, we should be good right there. So yeah, I'm gonna get some footage of like painting, but probably not much because I need to charge this camera. Once we're actually getting ready to start painting, then I will turn the camera back on. Okay, so we got the first coat on. It's a little splotchy in places, so we're doing a second coat.
Talent for understatement.
It doesn't look the greatest. I mean, you can see like right here, oh, wrong way, right there, and all right. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to this right here. It's not the best, so we're doing a second coat. It looks a lot brighter on camera than it does in real life. I'm happy with the color.
It's dark.
He says it's dark. I'm happy with it. It doesn't look bad on camera though. So
looks like somebody smeared a Hershey's bar on the walls.
it is called like chocolate something. I forgot what it was called. Chocolate therapy. So that's the color.
Yeah, it looks like milk chocolate.
Originally to get the painting and stuff done before, and it just didn't happen.